PM Modi's speech in Lok Sabha today began with loud slogans and ruckus from the opposition. After thanking the President and Speaker, the Prime Minister said he understands the pain of these people that they lost for a third time despite their flood of lies. The Speaker then came down heavily against the opposition for not honouring the decorum of the House. However, the opposition got louder with their slogans, heckling the Prime Minister to speak on Manipur with slogans such as "We want justice for Manipur" and "Go to Manipur." But the Prime Minister had to speak over these jeers that continued through the entirety of his speech. Quote, "We don't do appeasement politics, we want to reach saturation," unquote, and added that his was the first time Indians truly saw the meaning of secularism. Continuing his attack on the opposition, he said that before 2014, the country's biggest loss was the common citizen's confidence. Every common person was depressed about the state of the country. Quote, "There was one corruption case after another, but they remained shameless. There was a policy paralysis, there was Bhai Bhatijawad," unquote. He added, and I quote, "My government had countless successes in the last decade, but the most important one was rescuing the country from depression and sadness and giving them hope," unquote. He also raked up issues like the abrogation of Article 370, development projects, and Viksit Bharat in the parliament. He added that Congress is a parasitic entity who ate up the votes of its allies in the Lok Sabha elections. Without naming, he mocked leader of the opposition as being childish and ridiculed the moral victory of Congress in the Lok Sabha results. He then accused the allies of Congress of comparing Hindus with dengue, malaria, and accused the Congress of spreading lies about the army. Of their alleged moral victory in this year's Lok Sabha, he took a scene out of the movie Sholay and said, just like in Sholay, they go and say, "Mausi, तीसरी बार हारे तो क्या? Moral victory तो हुई है ना?" He continued with his attacks on the opposition by claiming they were like Adamkhor Janwar who had tasted the blood of lies. Now coming to the opposition, after a sizable portion of his remarks were expunged from the parliament, leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi has written to Speaker Om Birla alleging biased behaviour. The row began when Mr. Gandhi launched a series of attacks at the centre during his motion of thanks to the President's address. Mr. Gandhi's remark on religion, allegations against BJP's ideology, and many other portions were then expunged by the Speaker. Prime Minister Modi took a note of such behaviour in the parliament in past and said today that bashing Hinduism has become a fashion trend for many. In a letter accessed by NDTV, Mr. Gandhi wrote Anurag Thakur's speech yesterday was full of allegations and was not opposed. Quote, "With due respect to your good self, this selective expunction defies logic," unquote. He also alleged that the way his speech was expunged defied the basic tenets of parliamentary democracy and requested to restore his speech. While yesterday's Lok Sabha was dominated by Rahul Gandhi's speech and row after it, today was all about his ally Akhilesh Yadav, the duo who was nicknamed UP ke ladke after the results of Lok Sabha 2024. The Samajwadi chief was softer in his allegations by using shairi to highlight all the issues he wanted to raise in the parliament. In a speech laced with sarcasm and peppered with poetry, Mr. Yadav raised a bevy of issues ranging from infrastructural faults, exam-related corruption, mandir, and even a swipe at Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. In a poetic jibe at the NDA government because BJP fell short of absolute majority and had to rely on allies, he said, "ऊपर से जुड़ा कोई तार नहीं, नीचे कोई आधार नहीं, आधार में जो है अटकी है, वो तो कोई सरकार नहीं." The lines mean that there is no foundation on which this government stands. Taking a swipe at Yogi Adityanath, he recited a shairi that meant one person who organized the Ram Mandir event got no attention. हुजूर आला खामोश बैठे इसी गम में, महफिल लुट गया कोई जब सजाई थी हमने. This is a portion of his शायरी. होई वही जो राम रची राखा, ये है उसका फैसला. जिसकी लाठी में नहीं होती आवाज, जो करते हैं किसी को लाने का दावा, वो खुद है किसी के सहारे के लाचार. अयोध्या से लाए हैं हम उनके प्रेम का पैगाम.